when we delegate, we often think about our own portfolio of work, and then we look at them and they're too busy. And so we don't want to add to their plate. And that's admirable. That's showing good compassion and empathy, which is important as a leader. But instead of just looking at individual portfolios of work, what we want to think about is the global team's goals and portfolio of work. And now this is, I'll admit, this is not always the case, but your number 1, 2, 3 priorities could be more beneficial to the team overall than their number 4, 5, 6. So if they're too busy to delegate, then does it make sense to defer? And this is more of a conversation that we have as a team. What's better for our team? Collectively, if we can shift some of these things over to you and we defer or shift some of these things, is that better for our team? And it's not about saying your work's more important than their work. It's about saying what's the best decision for our team. So looking at the team's collective resources is a helpful brainstorming activity to do collectively. So that's one strategy. As well, all of us can defer things. So we have multiple projects we're working on. Maybe we need to scale back on some of those projects and put some of them off until next week or next month or next quarter, right? How can we streamline some of those projects? Now, if you haven't read this book yet, I do highly recommend it. It's called The Checklist Manifesto by a fantastic author, Atul Gawande. I'd recommend any of his books. He's a surgeon who talks about the benefits of checklists. And checklists are a great tool to help you delegate, to help simplify work for other people. So when we delegate complicated work, it's hard to find someone who has the capacity. But if we've really refined a process and we can hand someone a checklist, it's much easier for them to find the time to fit it into their day. Anything we can do to simplify, whether it's automate or standardize, the easier it is to find people to support us on. Now, delegating is designed to free up our time, but it's also designed to strengthen our team. So we really want to invest time in getting to know people, understanding what their goals are and how we can help present them with opportunities aligned to their goals, but also invest the time in the teaching, in the coaching element, reviewing, supporting, doing an upfront bang-up job of assigning work. If you're not prepared to invest the time in delegating, then you're not going to see people come back and make themselves available to you. The best leaders, the best managers have no trouble finding people available to work on their team. Stopping and saying thank you, showing appreciation, highlighting what you like about what they did is incredibly powerful. We really want to be stepping up as a society in showing our appreciation. And when people feel valued, that's one of the top motivators, one of the top 3 motivators for people, is that they feel appreciated, feel masterful, and they will then be attracted to work with us the more we show that. So there are people out there that you can develop and you can find to work with you. And all of these techniques will help you free up more opportunities to delegate.